Zen's mowers. This is a mini bike update. Got that back in December. This is starting to look different now. We've gotten some warm weather here, so guess what I'm out here doing? Getting this all to polished aluminum with, over here is the Harbor Freight Drill Master and this Walmart brand bit. Yeah, that's pretty dusty. There's some clean spots on here where I've been polishing. And here up front. But out of all of that, best part that I've done so far, here's the gas tank. And I'll take you right over to the frame. We got new paint job. Still need to get the tires fixed. Show you the number 1 I hand sprayed on there in the orange and black stripes. High school colors from Tigertown, USA. But anyway, I'm going to call this segment this. I'll be back tomorrow with paint. Stay tuned. Zen's mowers recording once again. Got the Briggs and Stratton 3-horse flathead here. Yep, that's a flathead top. And this is a old spark plug boot. Anyway, this motor looks a lot different from the last segment. With Walmart selling me these trusty sanding bits, I know this one is pretty beat. This one's probably going to end up in the scrap metal pile. And I've got the Harbor Freight Drill Master to help me out with that. But this motor looks pretty good. Got her mostly sanded. There's still some red paint. Since we're Maslin Tigers, there's no red paint allowed on this motor. We're going to get rid of that and go solid black. This is the Hot Dog. It'll probably get painted orange to give respect to our orange colors here. And my trusty friend over on Briggs and Stratton Junkies Facebook told me the build date for this motor was in 1986. November 26, 1986 was the build date of this Briggs. And aside from this, I've got a free lawnmower. That's another video. Just stay tuned to the channel. And that's it for this segment. Just filming the final segment of the Briggs and Stratton restoration with the sanding. I was planning to paint this motor black. I decided that while I was sick that the silver looks good. I'll walk you around the motor. And yes, I'm wearing a dust mask because I just got done with this project. There's still some more to do, but I may get around to it. For the most part, it looks good. I won't complain about it. But I used the Harbor Freight Drill Master, the sanding bit from Walmart. And the reason I wore a dust mask, because this is an older motor that had the original paint. And whether or not it contained anything harmful, I do not know. So I just wanted to take this precaution. This is like that doctor's mask. But anyway, there's more to come to the channel. If you're new, subscribe. Old subscribers, bring me more. Comment on the videos. Leave plenty of likes. And enjoy your day.